artists and explorers. Welcome back to Lil'Whizkids. Today, we're going to learn all about an amazing topic, color theory. Colors are all around us, and they make our world so beautiful and interesting. But do you know how colors work together to create the world we see? That's where color theory comes in. Are you ready to explore the magic of colors with me? Let's dive in. First, we need to talk about the building blocks of color. They are called the primary colors. Our primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. All the other colors we can see are made from mixing these primary colors. It's like mixing ingredients to make a colorful cake. When we mix two primary colors together, we get secondary colors. For example, when we mix red and blue, we get violet. Cool, right? Now that we know about primary and secondary colors, let's talk about something called the color wheel. The color wheel is like a rainbow circle that helps us understand how colors work together. It's a handy tool for artists and designers. Colors next to each other on the color wheel create harmony like best friends, and colors opposite each other create contrast like a superhero and a villain. Now, let's talk about warm and cool colors. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow make us feel cozy and happy. They're like a warm hug. Cool colors like blue, green, and purple are calm and relaxing, like a gentle breeze. Artists use warm and cool colors to set the mood in their artwork. For example, they might use warm colors for a sunny day and cool colors for a peaceful night scene. Last but not least, let's talk about complementary colors. Complementary colors are like best buddies who make each other look even more awesome. They're the colors opposite each other on the color wheel. When you put complementary colors next to each other, they make each other stand out and look super cool. It's like having a perfect team. And there you have it, young artists. We've explored the exciting world of color theory, from primary and secondary colors to the color wheel and warm versus cool colors. Remember, colors are all around us, and they help us express our creativity and feelings. So the next time you see a beautiful rainbow or a colorful painting, you'll know a little bit more about the magic of colors. Now, it's your turn to have some fun with colors. Grab your favorite colors and start drawing, painting, or coloring. See what amazing creations you can make. Thanks for joining us today. Stay curious. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more new adventures. Keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep exploring the world. See you next time.